In this present world, most people live in a hurry. They want instant success, instant result, but nature always says, be patient. There is never any unnecessary haste in nature. The seasons come at their own time. Flowers bloom at their own time. Fruits ripen at their own time. No one tries to prove themselves before their time. Today, let us move towards nearby areas of Neora Valley region, exploring the exotic greenery, rainforest, and the beautiful species of local birds found in this monsoon season. Let us forget all the haste for a few moments and sit in the lap of nature. Let us see, feel, and learn, because nature is just not a scene around us, it is the greatest teacher of life. We live in a world where nature begins to teach us a new lesson every morning with the first rays of the sun. But in the rush of busy life, we have gradually forgotten to listen and understand those lessons. Look at the trees in the forest. Trees teach selfless service. They bear fruits not for themselves but for others. They give their shade not for themselves but for others. Even when they are stoned, they still bear fruit. This selfless spirit of nature is a unique example for human society. Look at these birds. Every morning, the melodious voice of birds awakens the world. Even a small bird starts its day with a bright hope. It builds its own nest. It teaches its young to fly. When the time comes, it releases them to fly freely in the sky. It doesn't tie its children up for life. Birds teach us to love is not to imprison someone, but to give them the courage to fly. When we enter the forest, thousands of creatures live there, respecting each other in the same environment. No tree is jealous of another tree. No stream blocks the path of another stream. In nature, balance is the most important than competition. But in human society, sometimes we lose our own peace of mind while trying to win over others. Nature reminds us real success lies not in defeating others, but in finding peace within ourselves. We have taken a lot from nature: air, water, food, forests, medicine, life. But what have we given to nature in return? If we cut down forests, pollute rivers, destroy the habitat of birds, ultimately the impact will come back to us. Conserving nature is not just about saving trees, it is about securing our own future. Let us love nature, because nature always loves us unconditionally. Finally, let us remember the beautiful truth of life. Life becomes beautiful when we learn to live with nature, not try to rule it. If we learn to understand the language of nature, the answers to many of life's questions will be found by themselves.